That's good. The batter is. Can I flip it?
So the trick to flipping a pancake is waiting for the edges to sort of get dry, and then once you start to see bubbles come up in the center, then you can flip it.
Okay, so not yet.
Yeah, I'd give it a minute.
So this isn't the prettiest pancake.
I wouldn't stick that in the batter either.
Oh.
That's going to make for difficult flipping.
I 100% was just like, do you see why I don't cook the pancakes?
That is a kitchen party foul. Don't do that. You want a dry spatula. Here, let me do this.
Yeah, get that away from me.
We'll move this out of the way.
Yeah, this is real delicate. So the first and only time I cooked pancakes, they were just standard pancakes. And they were totally different to cook. I mean, you know, they get nice and thick and you can just...
Yeah. It's pancakes are difficult, and I feel like the trick is you got to just really let them cook for a little while.
I did it.
Very nice.
It is very nice. And you'll see.
I think they say the same thing about burgers, although I don't know anything about cooking burgers, but you only flip once. Like you're not supposed to flip flop.
Yeah,
on your pancakes.
when I used to eat meat, I remember I would take a burger and I would cook it and I'd flip it and it'd always fall apart. And then right before I stopped eating meat, I realized that you don't flip it but once.
Yeah.
And then I stopped eating meat.
Yeah.
And that was, what was that, 7 years ago now?
I don't know. You don't got to mash the pancake down either.
Oh, you don't? See,
No.
I got to mess with it.
Yeah, no. See, that's why. So a lot of times when I'm making pancakes, I'll make the batter, I'll start cooking them, and then I'll turn around and start doing some dishes or do something, because you literally just put it on, let it cook, flip it once, and then it only has to cook for maybe another 30 seconds, and then it's done.